Good morning, students. Student of class 8. The current continues going on. In the previous video, we have discussed questions based on tax and discount. In exercise 8.3, here we have discussed the questions based on profit and loss. Applications based questions are given. All the questions are based on word problems. So first we have to discuss the correct answers. Question 1, part A. A man bought a box for rupees 250. For how much should he sell it so as to get 10%? CP given a box का 250 rupees. 10% also given 10%. Find the SP of the box. So apply the formula for SP. SP equal 100 plus 10% upon 100 into CP. 100 plus 10% upon 100 into CP. Put the values. 100 plus our 10% is 10%, so 100 plus 10 whole upon 100 multiplied by and CP equals to 150 rupees. 1 divided by 1 0. So we have 100 plus 10 upon 110 upon 10 into 25. You divide by 0. So we have 11 into 25. Then you have to multiply 11 5 ja 55. 5 is carry 11 to 22 plus 5 27. The selling price of the box is 275 rupees. That means option second is the correct answer for this question. Now the B part, the CP of 4 articles is equal to the SP of 5 articles. 4 articles का CP 5 articles के SP के equal है. Then in this transaction there is a find out the loss or gain. No loss, no gain. None of these 4 options are given here. So let the CP of one article be X. Let CP of one article be X. Then CP of 5 articles equals to 5x. So CP of 5 article equal, according to question, SP of 5 articles equal CP of 5 articles. CP of 4 articles. CP of 4 article equal to SP of 5 articles. So CP of 4 article be 4x. So equal to 4x. Then SP of 1 article 4x upon 5. 4x upon 5. Then compare on comparing CP x and SP is 4x upon 5, 1 article. So CP greater than SP, 4x upon 5 equals to 540, 0.8x. And here CP is x. So SP greater than CP. So we have gain then gain equal SP minus CP. So 0.8x minus x equals to 0.7x. So we have gain. When we compare SP and CP of one article, so SP is less than CP. Because CP of one article we have to get the x, but SP 0.8x. So here we have loss, and how much loss? Loss equal CP minus SP, CP minus SP. When we subtract x minus 0.8x, so equals to 0.2x. 0.2x. That is the loss. So option first is correct. In this transaction we have to loss. Now the next part, C part of question number first, the SP of fan is 5%, profit is 630, then is CP. आपको gain percent given है 5% और selling price given है 630 rupees. आपको CP find करना है. So you have to do it by yourself. Apply the formula of CP. CP equal 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into SP. The D part. If two items 100 each are sold, one at 10% profit and other at 5% loss, then net profit is. So two items, first have a profit of 10% and other 5% loss. So SP of both items are 100. You have to find out the CP of both articles. Apply the formula two times. First when we have profit and then when we have loss. Then add the both CP and both SP. Then compare. You have to get the answer of this question. Now we have question number 2. A shopkeeper buys 40 articles for 1200 and sells them at a profit of 12%. Find the selling price of an article. So CP of 40 articles equal 1200. CP of 40 articles equal 1200 rupees. Then we have to find out the CP of one article equal 1200 divided by 40. So we have 30 rupees. CP of one article is 30 rupees. Then the profit is 12%. Profit equal 12%. Then find out the SP. Apply the formula for SP equal 100 plus 10, 100 plus 12, 112 upon 100 into CP of one article is 30. So 0 divided by 0. 112, 3 ja 336 divide by 10. So we have 33.6 rupees. That is the SP of one article. CP of 4 articles are given here 1200. First we have to find out the CP of first one article. So 1200 divided by 40. So when we divide by 40 we get 30 rupees. That is the CP of one article. एक आर्टिकल का CP कितना हो गया 30 rupees. And profit percent is given 12%. Then apply the formula of SP 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP. Here we put the CP of one article. So 100 plus 12, 112, 112 upon 100 multiplied by 30. 1 0 divided by 1 0. 112 into 3 we have 336. 336 upon 10 in the form of decimal. That is the 33.6 rupees. Now the question number 3rd. A farmer sold 2 bullocks 18,000 each. One on one bullock he gained 20%, in other he showed loss 20%. Find his total loss or gain percent. So here there are two bullocks and both having the same selling price 18,000. When we on one bullock he gained 20% and another he lost 20%. Find total loss or gain percent. So SP of both bullocks equal 18,000. 18,000. So total SP equal. So here we have two bullocks. So 2 multiplied by 18,000. 18 to the 36. So we have 36,000. 36,000. That is total SP of both bullocks. Then CP when gain. CP फाइंड करते हैं जब हमारा गेन हो रहा है ऑन फर्स्ट बुलक. तो CP इक्वल 100 upon 100 plus gain, because he gained on the first bullock 20%. So 100 upon 100 plus 20 multiplied by SP equal 18,000. So 100 upon 120 multiplied by 18,000. 1 divided by 1 0. 12 1 12, 12 5 60. So we have 15,000. That is CP of first bullock is 15,000. Then CP when loss जब होगा तो CP क्या होगा? तो again CP equal 100 upon 100 minus loss, 100 minus 20 80 multiplied by 15,000. So 1 divided by 1 0. 4 to 8, 4 25 and 2 9 18. Then multiply. So CP of second bullock is 9 5 45, 9 to 18, 22,500. Then after add the CP of both bullocks. CP of both bullocks is. So total CP equal CP of first bullock 15,000 and CP of second bullock is 22,500. So when we add 2 zeros, 5, 5 to 7, 2 1 3, 37,500. That is the CP of both bullocks, and SP of both bullocks is 36,000. So here CP greater than SP. Here CP greater than SP. So we have loss. Then find out the loss equal CP minus SP. So subtract 37,500 from 36,000. So 2 zeros, 5, 10 minus 6 1. 1,500. Loss equal 1,500, 1,500. then find out the loss percent. So loss percent equal loss upon CP, loss upon CP. CP is 37500 multiplied by 100 symbol of percent. So 20 divided by 20, 15 बन जा 15, 2 जा 30, 15 5 जा 75, 25 4 जा 100. So we have 4% loss in the whole transaction. Loss equal 4% in the terms of percentage. In the terms of amount, loss is 1500. SP of 4 plus is 18,000. So when we have total SP, because we have 2 plus, so 2 multiplied by 18,000. So total SP of both bullocks is 36,000. Then CP on first bullock, when we have gain of 20%, apply the formula of CP 100 upon 100 plus gain. So 100 upon 100 plus 20, 100 upon 120, and SP is 15,000. Solve. So CP of first bullock is 15,000. Then again apply the formula of CP when we have loss on the other bullock. So CP equal 100 upon 100 minus loss. Here we have loss of 20%. So 100 upon 100 minus 20, that is equals to 80. So 100 upon 80 multiplied by 18,000. Then we have solved. We get the CP of this bullock is 22,500. Then find out total CP of both bullocks. So CP of first bullock 15,000 and CP of second bullock 22,500. So we have 37,500. That is CP of both bullocks. When we compare here CP greater than SP, so we have loss. Loss equals CP minus SP. When we subtract, we get the 1,500. To find loss percent, and we know that loss percent equal loss upon CP multiplied by 100 symbol of percent. So 1500 upon 37,500 multiplied by 100, 20 divided by 20, 15 to the 30, 15 to 75. So 100 upon 25, 25 4 ja 100. So we have loss of 4% on the whole transaction. Now question number 4. A TV and a DVD player were bought for 10,000 each. That means CP of both TV and DVD is rupees 10,000. The shopkeeper made a loss of 6% on the DVD player and a profit of 7% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent of the shopkeeper on the whole transaction. टीवी और डीवीडी दोनों का कास्ट प्राइस सेम है 10,000. शॉपकीपर को पहले पे डीवीडी पर 6% का लॉस है और टीवी पर 7% का प्रॉफिट. आपको पूरे ट्रांजेक्शन में, पूरे लेन देन में, और ट्रांजेक्शन में पूरा लेन देन जो हुआ है उसमें शॉपकीपर को गेन या लॉस कितने परसेंट हुआ है. तो सेम क्वेश्चन विच आर डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Same process we have to apply here. Apply the formula of SP. Find out the SP of both articles. CP of both articles is 20,000. On the first we have loss. Apply the formula of SP. 100 minus loss of 100 into CP. Again apply the formula of SP when we have gain of 7%. Then compare both the total CP and total SP. Then we have to find out the loss or gain on the basis of question number 4. Now question number 5. A dealer bought 100 articles for 4,000. 20 articles broke during transportation. At what rate must he sell the remaining articles to gain of 10%? एक डीलर ने 100 आर्टिकल्स को खरीदा है 4,000 रुपये में. 20 आर्टिकल्स टूट गए हैं ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में, तो किस रेट से रिमेनिंग आर्टिकल्स को बेचे कि उसको 10% का गेन हो जाए. तो here we have CP of 100 articles. CP of 100 articles equal 4,000 40 rupees. 20 articles proved during transportation. CP of 20 articles. CP of 20 articles. So 20 multiplied by 40. So we have 2 4 800. CP of 20 articles 800. So remaining 80 articles. So CP equal 4000 minus 100, 3200. Now we have 3200. That is CP of remaining 80 articles. क्योंकि 20 आर्टिकल्स ड्रॉप हो गए ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, तो हमारे पास जो रिमेनिंग आर्टिकल है 80, तो 80 का कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगा 4000 सब्ट्रैक्टेड बाय 800, तो भी 3200. Now apply the formula of SP. 100 plus gain 12% gain. Here gain of 10%. At what rate must you pay the remaining gain 10%? So 100 plus 10, 110 upon 100 multiplied by CP. 2 divided by 0. 11 2 jar 22. 11 3 jar 33 plus 2 35. So we have SP of 3520. So selling price of each article equal, now we have 80 articles, 3520 divided by 80, 8 4 jar 32, 8 1 32. So CP of one article be 44 rupees. तो अगर एक आर्टिकल को 44 रुपीज पे बेचेगा तो उसको कुल कितना गेन होगा 10% गेन हो जाएगा. Now the question number 6. A shopkeeper marks an article which is 60% more than the cost price. एक शॉपकीपर ने किसी आर्टिकल के कॉस्ट प्राइस से 60% अधिक मार्क किया है. मार्क्स मीन्स मार्क प्राइस को 60% बढ़ा दिया है. देन अलाउ ए डिस्काउंट ऑफ 25% ऑन इट. इसके बाद उस आर्टिकल्स पे 25% डिस्काउंट अलाउ किया है. तो फाइंड हिज गेन और फाइंड हिज गेन परसेंट. उसका गेन परसेंट आपको फाइंड करना है. Let the CP of article be yes. Let CP be X rupees. Let the CP be X. %60% more than mass price. So mass price equal X plus 60% of X. 2 3 jar 2 5 jar 5x plus 3x 8x upon 5. That the mass price of the article. Then allow a discount of 25%. So discount equal 25% of 8x upon 5. 5 5 jar 25. 5 2 jar 4 5 jar 4 2 jar equals 2x upon 5. Discount equal to 2x upon 5 rupees. डिस्काउंट कितना होगा आपका 2x upon 5. मैंने पहला फॉर्मूला ऑफ SP. SP इक्वल MP माइनस डिस्काउंट. MP माइनस डिस्काउंट. तो MP 8x upon 5 and discount is 2x upon 5. So we have 6x upon 5. SP equals 6x upon 5. So find the gain. Gain equal SP minus CP. Gain is 6x upon 5. SP CP X. Subtract, so we have x upon 5. Gain equal x upon 5. Then find the gain percent. gain percent equal gain upon Cp into 100. So x divided by x. So we have 100 upon 5. 5 to the 20%. तो कितना उसका गेन होगा? 20% गेन होगा शॉपकीपर को. कितना गेन होगा? 20%. Let the Cp be x rupees. Max price is 60% more than cost price. So x plus 60% of x. 8x upon 5. The discount is on the MP. 25% of MP equal to x upon 5. Then SP equal MP minus discount. So 8x upon 5 minus 2x upon 5 equals to 6x upon 5. Then gain equal SP minus CP, 6x upon 5 minus x equal x upon 5. Then apply the formula of gain percent, gain upon CP into 100%. X upon 5 whole upon x, 6 divided by x, 1 upon 5 into 100, that equals to 20%. So in this question, shopkeeper is gained 20% when he was 60% more and then allowed 25% discount. Now we have discussed question number 7. Amit bought 25 pence at 8 rupees per pen and 35 pence at 10 rupees per pen. Then he sold all the 60 pence at 11 rupees per pen. Find his gain percent. So you have to solve this question by yourself. Cp of 25 pence, 25 into 8 200, and Cp of 10 pence, 35 pence, 35 into 10 350. Then total Cp you add 200 plus 350, so we have 550. 550. Then he sold us all the pens at 11 rupees per pen. So 60 pens are there. So 60 into 11, 11 66, 660 rupees. So total SP 660. Then compare. So here SP greater than CP. So we have gain. Gain equal SP minus CP. 660 minus 510, 550. So we have 110 rupees. Gain equal 110. Then apply the formula of gain percent. Gain upon CP into 100. We have a gain of 110 upon 550 multiplied by 100. So we have 20% gain on this. Now question number 8. An electric goods dealer purchased an old TV set for 8,700. He spent 1,100 on its repair and sold it a profit of 8% for the selling price. आपको SP फाइंड करना है. जो आपका टोटल CP होगा वो जो इसका कॉस्ट प्राइस और जो उसने रिपेयरिंग में खर्च किया है दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे आप. दैट मीन्स 8,700 प्लस 1,100. यू हैव 9,800 टोटल CP. कितना होगा आपका? 9,800 CP हो गया. गेन परसेंट गिवन है 8%. अप्लाई कर देंगे आप SP का फार्मूला, आपको सेलिंग प्राइस मिल जाएगा इसका. ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Question number 9. A dealer bought 100 cricket bats for 400 each. He sells 20 of them at a gain of 5%. And what gain percent must he sell the remaining bats so as to gain 20% on the whole? किसी डीलर ने बैट्स परचेज किए हैं 100 बैट्स परचेज किए हैं 4,000 ईच. एक बैट की कॉस्ट क्या है? 400. तो 100 क्या आ जाएगी? 40,000. इसके बाद 20 को सेल किया है 5% पे. अब बचे हुए तो कितने में सेल करेंगे उसको? हाउ मच डज ही गेन और लॉस? बचे हुए में उसको कितना गेन और लॉस होगा? तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 100 क्रिकेट बैट्स CP ऑफ one bat equal 400. Then CP of 40 bats, 100 bats So we multiplied by 100. 400 multiplied by 100. So we have 40,000. Total cost क्या होगा हमारी 40,000. Then SP on 20. Selling price of 20 बैट्स. 20 बैट्स का सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगा? 20 बैट्स में उसको क्या हो रहा है 5% गेन पे बेचा इसने. 100 प्लस गेन 100 प्लस 5 अपॉन 100 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय CP ऑफ 20 बैट्स and CP of 20 बैट्स इक्वल 8,000. So we have to divide by 0. So we have 105 multiplied by 80. 0 8 5 40 8 बन जाए 8 4 12 9,200. ये 20 बैट्स का क्या आ गया आपका 105 105. तो 0 8 5 40 1 बन जाए 8,400. 8,400. Then SP of 80 bets. Selling price of 80 bets equal SP of 20 bets 100 plus 5 205 into 80 8,400 and SP of 80 bets. अगर ही लॉस 20%. तो क्या हुआ लॉस हुआ उसको यहाँ पर गेन हुआ उसको 20%. अदर ही लॉस 20%. He sells 20 of them again 5%. At what must we sell? At 20% गेन होना चाहिए. So 100 plus 20 upon 100 multiplied by 32,000 because remaining bets are cost 32,000. So 2 divided by 2 0. 2 zeros 12 are 24. 12 and 36 38,400. 38,400. Then total SP. Total SP equal 38,400 plus 8,400. SP of 80 articles and SP of 20 articles. 46,800. 46,800. ये क्या आ गया आपका टोटल SP आ गया और टोटल CP क्या था 40,000. तो क्लियरली SP greater than CP. So we have gain. So gain equal SP minus CP. SP equal 46,800 and CP 40,000. When we subtract, so we have 6,800. Then again, then find the gain percent. So gain percent equal gain upon CP. CP 40,000 multiplied by 100. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 बन जा 4 7 जा. So gain equal 17%. तो कितना गेन होगा उसको 17% गेन होगा. Now question number 10. Vaibhav sold 2 radios at 924 each. On he gained, first he gained 20%, on the other he lost 20%. How much does he gain or loss in the whole transaction? So this type of question we have solved. Question number 3. Question number 4. Same like question number 10. SP of both radios given 924. You have to find out the CP of both radios. CP of first, on first you have gain at 20%, on other you have loss of 20%. Find out the total SP and total CP, then compare, you have to find out the gain or loss. Solve this question. If any query, then ask. Now question number 11. Selling price of 10 article equal to CP of 11 articles. Find the gain percent. So this type question we have already solved previous question, like question number first C. Solve by same process. If solve question number 11 by yourself. If any problem, then you have to ask on my WhatsApp number. Now question number 12. By selling 100 oranges, a vendor gains a profit equal to the by selling price of 20 oranges. Find is gain percent. So let the SP of one orange be 1 rupee each. By selling 100 orange, a vendor gain a profit equal to the selling price of 20 orange. Question number 12. So let SP of one orange, SP of one orange be rupees 1. Then SP of 100 orange is equals to 100 rupees. ने मान लिया कि एक ऑरेंज का कॉस्ट क्या है 1 रुपीज. देन एसपी ऑफ 100 ऑरेंज इक्वल गेन ऑफ 20 ऑरेंज. तो एसपी ऑफ 100 इक्वल गेन ऑफ 20 ऑरेंज. गेन ऑफ 20 ऑरेंज. गेन ऑफ 1 ऑरेंज, gain of 1 orange equal 100 upon 5 equal 20 equal gain of oranges, gain of oranges equal 20 upon 100. 20 बन जाए 25 जाए equal 1 upon 5. कितना गेन हुआ इसको 1 upon 5. Then find the CP. CP equal SP minus gain. SP is 1 and gain is 1 upon 5 equal 4 upon 5. CP कितना आ गया हमारा 4 upon 5. Then find the gain percent. So gain percent equal gain upon CP into 100. So 5 divided by 5. So we have 100 upon 4 percent equal 25%. कितना गेन होगा उसको 25% गेन होगा. 25% gain. Now question number 13. By selling 36 banana, a vendor suffers a loss equal to the selling price of 4 bananas. So you have to solve by yourself. Question number 13. Question number 14. By selling an article 144, a man lost 1 upon 7 of his outlay. SP equal 144. SP equal 144B. Let CP equal CP be X. Then loss equal 1 upon 7 of the object, X upon 7. X upon 7. SP equal CP minus loss SP equal x minus x upon 7 equal 6 upon 7. 6x upon 7 equal 144. 6 to 12, 6 by 24. 24 7 जा 168. C कितना आ गया 168 रुपीज. CP equal 168 रुपीज. If he sold 189, then SP is 189. So we have gain. So gain equal SP minus CP. 189 minus 168. Subtract 9 minus 8 1. 8 minus 6 1. 11. So here SP equals C equals loss. X plus x upon 7 equal 8x upon 7. So 8x upon 7 is CP. SP equal 144. So 8 1 8. 8 54. So x equal 56. 126. ये कितना आ गया आपका 126. अब वो कह रहा है जब 189 में वो बेचता है तो 189 माइनस 126. 9 माइनस 6 3. 8 माइनस 2 6. 63. 63 upon 126 into 100. 50%. Now question number 15. If shopkeeper marks 50%, same type question we have to solve in the question number 9, question number 6, 16. In the shopkeeper allow discount of 10%, customer still get 20%. Find the mark price of an article which cost 450 of the shopkeeper. So let the question 15, shopkeeper marks 50% more the cost price. You have to solve by yourself. Question number 16. If shopkeeper now discount of 10%, still he gain 20%. Find the MP of the article whose CP is given 450. CP is given 450 rupees. Let MP be X. Mark price will be X. The discount equal 10% of MP. Discount equal 10% of X. X upon 10. Discount क्या हो गया आपका? X upon 10. Then find the SP. SP equal MP minus discount. MP minus discount. So X minus X upon 10 equal 9x upon 10. 9x upon 10. Then apply the formula of CP. CP equal 100 upon 100 plus gain into 100 SP. Gain equal 450. 450 equal 100 upon. Here have to gain still gain of 20%. 100 plus 20 120. And SP equal 9x upon 10. 9x upon 10. So 2 divided by 2 0. 3 3 ja 3 4 ja. So 3x upon 4 equal 450. So x equal 450 into 4 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 5 ja 154. 600 rupees. क्या जाएगा 600 rupees. Now question number 17. How much percent of the cost price of shopkeeper marks is good after around discount of 20% on the marks price he gain 30%. Question number 17. Let CP equal 100 rupees. Let CP be 100 rupees. Gain equal 30%. Gain equal 30%. Find the SP. Find the gain. 30% of 100. 30% of 100 equal 30 upon 100 multiplied by 100. So equal 30 rupees. Gain equal 30. Then find the SP. SP equal 100 plus 30 equals to 130. SP equal 130. Let the MP be X. Let MP be X. Discount equal 20%. So discount equal 20% of X equals to X upon 5. Then find the SP. SP equal MP minus discount. MP minus discount. X minus X upon 5 is equals to 4x upon 5. So SP equal SP. So 4x upon 5 equal 130. So x equal 130 into 5 divided by 4. 130 into 5 divided by 4. 4 3 are 12. 4 2 are 8. 4 5 20. Then multiply 5 by 25, 5 by 10 to 12, 5 by 16. 162.5 rupees. 162.5 rupees. The mass price of the article. The last question: a wholesaler offers 20% of season discount to the retailer and still makes a profit of 15%, but the actual cost to him marks price given है, आपको CP फाइंड करना है. So this question you have to also solve by yourself. So this is the exercise 8.3 we have completed. Now we have the last exercise where we have discussed compound interest. The class 6 and 7th we have learned about the simple interest, SI equal PRT per 100. But here we are calculating the compound interest, compound by annually, compound by half yearly, compound by quarterly in the next video. So thank you students. Solve the questions. If you have any query in any question regarding the any chapter, you have to ask on my WhatsApp number. Thank you students.